Exotics, and I thought I'd give you guys an in-car review of my own personal Nissan 180sx. I've had this car for 8 years, and it's taken a long time to perfect it to the way it is now. It makes an amazing 660 horsepower from a TOMEI 2.3 litre billet stroker kit, and it has a TOMEI head with 272 cams, and it sounds amazing. It has a VG30 5-speed conversion, so you never have to worry about breaking a gearbox. Very strong twin plate clutch, so you can slam between gears without worrying about it slipping. And as you can see, the cabin is awesome. Got ride seats holding you down, got bits of carbon, Momo steering wheel, FE gauges, all this with aircon as well. To stop you, got R33 GTR Brembo brakes with Project Mu rotors. The whole car has been stripped when it was being built, so even all the sound deadening was removed with dry ice. Every nut and bolt on the car replaced, complete inside and outside body respray, glass out. This thing is immaculate. In Japan you can see that retro 90s look, HKS bits, Garrett GT35 turbo, big 4-inch K&N intake. So much fun to drive. I remember the first time I drove a 180sx when I was 18 years old, and I was awestruck about how much they feel like driving a go-kart, and this thing is much the same. It gives you really raw, direct feedback when you're driving. You know exactly where the car is going to go. There's no uncertainty even when you put your foot down. The wheels are NK 18-inch wheels, wrapped in Federal semi-slicks on the rear, and Bridgestone Potenzas on the front. Look at it go. Team coilovers and IKEA Formula arms keeping it all together, giving you that incredible driving feedback. At Classics Exotics, we don't just do giveaways. Our primary business is helping customers import cars from Japan. You have the bonus of free entries into our promotions whenever you buy one of our service packages. So you actually get something for your money. We love helping customers import cars from Japan. We also help people find them around Australia as well. Help you negotiate for a car, get cheaper shipping, bringing it back to your home state. And we provide round-the-clock service as well. I'm going to miss this car very much. Makes me very sad thinking about it, but it's going to make one of you guys so happy driving it. There's nothing quite like it. This is truly a one-of-a-kind 180sx giveaway. Don't miss out.